Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. Dear friends, as you all know, I have completed teaching CSS recently and I uploaded around 22 videos of CSS tutorial. If needed in upcoming videos, I will upload more videos, more teaching videos of CSS tutorial. But today I'm going to start teaching new programming language called JavaScript. So in the starting video of teaching JavaScript, let us see what is JavaScript and what can we do by using JavaScript. First, let us see what is JavaScript. In fact, JavaScript is a programming language and it is one of the three languages that everyone who wants to become a web developer must learn. These programming languages are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is used for constructing the structure of a web page, CSS is used for designing a web page, and JavaScript is used for programming the behavior of a web page. So finally, we can say that JavaScript is used for making a web page interactive. Now let us see what can we do by using JavaScript. In fact, JavaScript allows us to access and modify the content and markup used in a web page while it is being viewed in the browser. Now let us see what is accessing the content means. Accessing the content means JavaScript will let us to select any element, attribute or text from an HTML page. For example, JavaScript will let us to select the text inside all of the H1 elements on a page. And also it will let us to select any elements that have a class attribute with a value of node. And finally, JavaScript will let us to find out what was entered into a text input whose ID attribute has a value of email. Now let us see what is modifying the content means. Modifying the content means we can use JavaScript to add elements, attributes, and text to HTML page, or we can remove them. For example, by using JavaScript, we can add a paragraph of text after the first H1 element. And also by using JavaScript, we can change the value of class attribute to trigger new CSS rules for those elements. And finally, by using JavaScript, we can change the size or position of an IMG element. Okay guys, this was the explanation of what is JavaScript. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.